share with you about the new schedule of working, because last month in June, I mean we're still in June, but obviously this month has been so intense for, I mean, the intensive work of crochet and producing the video and making the pattern, which I really enjoy, but I found myself I didn't really have so much time for my family, and so I decided to change something with my way of working, my schedule. So instead of keep producing every week video tutorial, which I know many of you are very appreciated, and you know I got a lot of nice feedback from you also on Facebook. And by the way, if you are not part of our Facebook group, the Crochet Tribe, MayaLunaCorazon, you should check it out, because there is amazing as well. Like, I love Instagram, but there you can post your picture that you made from me, and this way everyone can see, and I also can see if you have any question, you can just spot on and ask me the question. I want to try this new thing. Actually, it has been calling me to do this rhythm of working for some time, but I just not quite sure yet how I'm gonna do it, and now I just want to give it a try, since I think will give me more time also to not be stressed out about creating more content or creating more tutorial, but also rather to work with you and be in this process with you. Because now it's like I feel like many videos that I just produced, almost 8 videos, is not everyone actually watching it yet. And to produce one tutorial, it takes so long time. Like, I have to film, and then I have to, you know, do the voiceover, and you know, like all the whole week I don't really have time to do something else, which I actually need some time to also manage another work, which is Maya Earth Sky. And if you also want to check it out, the Maya Earth Sky, I have an account here on Instagram as well, and also on Facebook, and also on YouTube channel. Okay, this piece that I just finished a few days ago, I think 3-4 days. You know, this one I post many times also on the stories and on my feed. I think I have 2 pictures of this piece on my feed as well. It's called Magdalena top, and this is a new design. Now it's been testing it for a few days, and few of our testers already finished her piece, and it's amazing the result. And I'm gonna launch the pattern, the written pattern today. And you know, this design, now you can see it. It can be customized to all sizes. That's my new love now. And I love the sleeve. You see? The big sleeve. And it's not like before I wanted to go long until here, but I don't have enough yarn. So I stopped, and it's like just here. And if you want to see all the whole piece, how it look like on me, you can just go to my feed later on after this video to see the photo that I post. Right now that I'm going to make a tutorial, but it's not going to be like the whole episode, like the whole piece of tutorial. I wanted to make episode by episode, and this way you work with me, like, because when I do the whole video at once, I don't know, I just feel like I want to have more connection. I want to have more interaction with you guys. So I want to make maybe video of today 5 minutes together, and we start to make one panel together, and maybe tomorrow the new video come. I wanted to do this way because this somehow we get more in touch, and I want to see how many of you will stay with me this way, because everyone do tutorial on YouTube. Everyone make crochet tutorial. Like me too, in the past almost 2 years, I make a lot of tutorials. Okay, you see me talking, and then you just learn how to make, and then that's it, it's finished. But I want to have like crochet along with me. Like, I think people are doing that already, but I wanted to do in my own style, in my own way. My new schedule is first I'm gonna create the pattern, and then I send to test so that we know, oh, this is work fine. And after I know the result of the testing pattern, I launch the pattern, and this way also I'll be able to actually sell my pattern, because since I start to do YouTube, and I love it because I love to share, but it's so nice if someone also can support me by purchase the pattern, because this way it's pay my bill, it's buy my food, buy the tomato, the broccoli, the food that I can just eat and continue to work, and the inspiration continue to come to me, right? I think you guys want this to continue to grow and to flow. So I want to launch the pattern today, and this piece, and you're gonna crochet with me. I think I'm just gonna make like 5 or 7 minutes. I want to just make 7 minutes long video on YouTube, and we do together, and this way I see how many people actually join me. And then if many people watch the video, like really want to make this piece together, then I perhaps update again in the next 2 days, like, you know, because then we sit together and we can talk, and then we can crochet and really feel like you are here with me, sit in front of me, not just listen to someone's voice and just look at how to do it and then finish the piece and then it's done. But I really want to have this like crochet channel, that we have this dialogue, that we have this conversation, that we have this I don't even know the word, the connection, the very create a good community. I don't want like 20,000, 200,000, or I don't know, I don't want a big number of subscribers. I want to have people who really care in what I do, and the people who really want to learn and grow together. Even I have just 100 people left in my channel, that is also totally fine, because I want to create a quality content to my community, and I want those who share the same value with me stay with me. And if you are sharing and wanting to sharing this new idea, new project, and this journey with me, so stay with me and let's see what comes. And you know, it's nothing static, everything keep moving, my idea keep moving, keep changing, and this has come to me and I couldn't hold it in my heart any longer. I wanted to share with you, because this is all about being real, and this is me. I'm not trying to be anyone else. And I think if you want just to have a crochet tutorial, you can just go to any channel. There's so many people make crochet tutorial that just teach you just how I did almost 2 years for you guys, and for me as well, because first is have to do it for me, because I feel so good. That's why I can share from my heart, and I'm so blessed to have all of you here and in YouTube and also in Facebook. So yeah, I just want to let you know in this live video, and I'm gonna find the way to also post this on the IG TV so that more people will see this one. My top moving, will see this one as well, and to know what the new chain is all about. All right, so if you're not yet on YouTube, you can just also find me on MayaLunaCorazon, and you can just actually go to my feed after this live video and click on that link. There's like different link there. I think I have 3 or 4 links, and one of them is YouTube, and you can just go there and subscribe there so that you know that when I post a new video, you have the notification. But subscribe is just like, I think now it's a new rule. If you subscribe and the new video comes, you get the new video next day or something. But if you click that little bell next to the subscribe box below the video, you also got direct notification as soon as the video go online. So do that, and today I'm gonna start this crochet with me. I don't know what should I call this project, or this new baby project that I wanted to do. It's like gonna be the episode, and it's gonna be like also talking, because I like to connect with you. Obviously I want to share with you what yarn I use, and not to just like, hey look, I use this hook, and it's so boring. I find it so boring. And if I just like, you know, can see you also, and to talk a little bit about that, and then we start to crochet together, and this way is keep me motivated, like it's motivate me to make more video and to connect this way and really create a strong community of crocheter, of crochet tribe, of this MayaLunaCorazon tribe, and we can grow together. Hi, I'm so happy that I have this opportunity to talk with you. So I'm gonna leave you guys now, and today you're gonna learn how to make this one.